What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm looking a bit of a hot mess right now, so this is a get ready with me video. Stay tuned.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you.
So my hair is already done. I'm actually just taking my scarf off because I tend to do that before I even start doing my makeup, just because I don't like to have that like foundation line where you can see where the scarf was. So I'm just taking that down. As you guys can see, I have like a slick little ponytail going on. If you would like to see that video, just comment that down below. But I'm just kind of picking at my hair. I'm going to gel it back later, but for now we're just gonna do makeup. So first thing I'm gonna do is take this cleansing cloth here and wipe down my face just to make sure that I get everything off my face that, you know, my normal face wash did not do. Next, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I use this Maybelline primer here, and I use a lot of it because a little does not go a long way, and I'm just making sure I get that all over my face and my eyes before I start on my foundation. I'm then going to start using my MAC foundation with my foundation brush, as you guys see here, that I got from like TJ Maxx. This color, this is the Studio Fix from MAC, and I got it in the NC47 color. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my face because it's taking forever to come out. But this does go a long way. A little goes a long way for this. So I'm just putting a little bit on my face, and then I'm going to start blending. So I'm going to spray some of this setting spray onto my face just to get the foundation to set first before I finish the rest up. I'm then going to go in on my eyebrows with this Anastasia Brow Wiz that I got from Sephora. It has a little spoolie, so I'm just going to get my eyebrows in place in the natural way that they go, kind of up and then swooping to the right and the left, as you guys can see. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. And I'm just taking this brush to kind of fade my brows in so it doesn't have any harsh lines. Now I'm going to go ahead with my concealer that I also got from MAC, the Pro Longwear, and I got it in the color NC45, which is just like a shade lighter than my foundation. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that under my eyes with the rounded concealer brush, again from TJ Maxx, just so that my eyes, like the little bags under my eyes, don't show as much. So I'm feeling a little funky today. I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. Again, I got this from MAC. I swear this is not sponsored by MAC, y'all. I just love their brand. Like, I feel like they have a lot of stuff for like women of color. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face with my palette here, and I use those two colors that you guys saw previously, just to kind of blend that together and then contour my face. And I'm just gonna do like my cheekbone area, my chin, my nose, and then my forehead, as you guys will see in a second. And you know, your girl got to glow a little bit. I got this little highlight from a beauty supply store, but it works, y'all. It works. So I usually put it a little bit on my nose. You see how different? Oh my god, that looks so nice. I put a little bit on my nose, and then on my cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead, and sometimes on my chin. I did put this on my chin today, but just to add a little bit of glow. You know, when they're like, girl, you glowing today. Yeah, that's the highlight. And next, I'm actually using, I got this mascara from MAC as a trial size when I had ordered something from them. And I really like them, so I am going to order the actual, like the real tube of it. So I'm just going to go ahead with the mascara. I'm not putting any lashes on just because I don't feel like it's going to take too much time and I got to go to work. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish this look. I'm using the Cork Lip Pencil, again from MAC, and I'm using the Dangerous Curves lip gloss. The little sticker fell off on the bottom, so I couldn't find it. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips up first, and I kind of make funny faces when I do that, so don't mind me. I'm going to line my lips up first, and I'm going to go ahead and put a good amount of the Dangerous Curves lip gloss onto my lips. So now I'm just finishing up, making sure everything is blended, and I'm going to use the setting spray one last time, just so you know, less shine, less sweat, all that stuff, you know. And I am all finished. That is like my everyday look, real easy, real simple, not too much, a nice little everyday wear that I tend to do very often. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys for the next one. Bye.